What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's just Keisha if you're new here. First of all, happy new year, everyone. Like, hello 2024. More blessings, more wealth, more health, more everything to y'all in this new year. But yeah, if you're new here, I post beauty and lifestyle content. If that's your thing, make sure y'all subscribe. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and go binge watch all my other videos so y'all can see what Just Keisha is all about, you know. But yes, today's video is going to be an unboxing. I know y'all love those, and this one in particular was actually requested by a couple of my supporters. If y'all know I love De'Ara, and I did actually win her 50 Shades PR box giveaway. And when I posted that I won it, a lot of people were hitting me up like, we want an unboxing, like, can I get a pair, like, you know. And so I was like, it's only right. So yeah, so now we're here. I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it because I had to film a try-on haul. I had to film like an unboxing reel. So it's not an official unboxing for me per se, but it's gonna be an official unboxing for y'all. So we're gonna jump right into it. This is how the item comes packaged. When you get it, it does come with plastic all over it, but I did actually rip the plastic off so that I could do what I needed to do. The box is very durable, you guys. Like, do y'all hear that? It's very durable, very nice. I love the gold detailing. Like, this box was just right up my alley. I literally have it. You guys see my thing back there? I literally have it like at the top, sitting on my shelf over there, because I didn't get her organizer yet, but that's soon come. But yeah, so this is how the box comes. I'm gonna open it up. My setup doesn't allow me to kind of like show y'all like straight out, but nevertheless, we're gonna give y'all the tea on these shades. So first things first, when you open it up, it does have a card. So on the thank you card is the picture of the photo shoot that she did when she was debuting these glasses, and on the back there's a thank you note. I read it in my vlog, but I'll read it in case you didn't check out my vlog. So it says, hi Lorvae PR, allow us to fashionably shade you with our 50 Shades of Brown collection, inspired by the multi-face, I don't know how to say this word, y'all. Am I dumb? Multifaceted? I don't know. Multifaceted. That's what it looks like. It's this word. I don't know if y'all can see that. Somewhere over here. But yeah, we gonna go with multifaceted because it's early. I'm tired, and child, I've been vlogging and doing content all day. But yeah, so that word, multifaceted nature of womanhood. These frames are expressed through a spectrum of brown hues that comes together to form the core of this collection. Can't wait to see you style these 50 different ways. Now, I don't know if I had 50 ways in my reel. I think I may have had 5, but all of these shades are so versatile. You can definitely get more than 50. Now let me read the thank you card. This is what the box looks like when you open it. So there's a slot for every pair. There's 5 pairs that come, and we're going to go through each and every one of them. So I did film like a reel showing how I tried them on, how I styled them and stuff like that. So that'll be either on this side or this side. But in this video, I'm just going to be fully unboxing and showing you guys the details of the shade. And then yeah, y'all could see how I styled them on the side. Also, friendly disclaimer, because these were already unboxed for the purpose of me doing a reel, they did come with little packaging on them that I already took off, and I just did not want to put them back on. So each of the shades did come inside of like this little protective wrapper, and it's on the frame of the glasses that go behind your ears had this as well. So definitely she made sure everything that was needed to be done was done when it came to protecting these shades. So first of all, let's get into the glasses case. When you open it, it has Lorvae on the front, comes with a bag, and it comes with a cute little dust wipe to like wipe your shades off when you get fingerprints and stuff on it. So I thought that was a cute little touch. So yes, so we're gonna open up these, y'all. These were, I think, my favorite so far in this collection. So these shades are called Spotlight. This is Spotlight, you guys. Spotlight is it. Okay, so the quality of the shades is really good. The shades are really pretty. I love that it has the logo on the side, and then on the inside it also has, I don't know if you guys could see the name of the shades. So these are so cute. I'm gonna try them on so that you guys can see. Oh, I could see me wearing this like in the summertime, like similar to how I styled it here. Sometimes you wear like those little reading glasses just to kind of give your outfit, like your preppy outfit, like a nice little pop to it. Like I feel like that's what this is doing for me. Like I would wear this with like a white button down or like even a cardigan and some jeans and some slides, like how I styled it here, and just throw these on, just a little razzle dazzle. But I love these. These are so pretty. So pretty. And yeah, these are called Spotlight. Lorvae did a poll of like what colors should they drop in the summertime and stuff. So I'm excited. Like I want to see what they have because girl, I need a couple more pairs. So let's get into the next one. Again, it comes with a dust bag. These are giving like 1999 to 2000, like Y2K vibes. So these are called Golden Hour. Golden Hour, my God, get into Golden Hour. Look at the frame, you guys. The frame is so pretty. And then I love this little detail right here on the frame itself, like that little zigzag thing. And again, it does have the name on the inside, if you guys can see. These are more on, I feel like, the delicate side for me. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell by the way that I'm holding them. Like, I don't want them to bend or anything. But, yo, these are fire. These are fire, yo. Like, and obviously y'all saw how I styled them here, but y'all could style them many different ways. These are, oh my goodness, these are fire. I don't know if these my face or Spotlight my face. They all probably gonna be my face because like I said, this is right up my alley. And the frames on the frame on this is a little bigger than what I'm used to, but oh my God, yes. I'm telling y'all, when I go grocery shopping and stuff, I'm gonna be like a bad bitch, okay? I'm gonna be throwing on my shades and going to push shopping cart. Like, what? Like, I have a shade for every occasion now. Like, anywho, let's get into these. Now, these that I'm about to show y'all, the quality on these when I felt them, because I'm not gonna front, I had a little pair of these from Shein. Like when I say a pair of these, like I mean like in terms of the style, the frame, the size, but the quality, baby girl, nowhere near this. And I'm not even trying to like OD and like hype up these shades more than what they are. This is not sponsored, baby. Like I am not sponsored. I wish, but this is not sponsored at all. But the quality of these shades, my God. So again, it comes in this little holder, and I don't know if I mentioned, but all of the sunglass cases represent like the colors on the shade. So I think you guys can get a gist of what color these are gonna be. These, oh my God, first of all, look at it. Look at the thickness in the frame, you guys. Look at them. Get into these. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. These are called Stunna, okay? Look at the detail on the side. They're so thick and the quality is just 10 out of 10 out of 10. Like to the point where my head is so big, I gotta like squeeze my head in here. But once they on, okay. Need I say more? Like, need I say more? These, fire. These are so fire. Oh my God. Yeah. Speaks for itself. I love these. Like, I said that for every pair I tried on. I love all of them, honestly. So we have 2 more pairs to try on, and let's get on to it. These are cute too. I literally love all of them. These are so cute. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. The gold detail though, with the name. Yeah. I love everything about these. These are called Golden Hour. Okay. I love this frame. This part right here. I love it. I absolutely love it. When I seen these, I was like, yeah. I think that these are so cute. So cute. I love them. And again, I feel like the metal frame ones are more like to me on the delicate side. Like I'm scared that I'll bend them a certain way. So I'm like real gentle with them. Now we're getting to the last pair. And initially when I looked at these, y'all, the last pair was my favorite. But when I did my reel and I like styled them all different ways and I saw like how I could dress each shade up, how I could dress them down, I think I like all of them. I don't know which one is my favorite, honestly, but these are fire. Yeah, you go. These, oh my god. Look at them. Just need I say more? Okay. And then you have the logo on the back. And then these are called Flashy. I could see me wearing these with like something like an all black bodysuit with like some booties and a nice bag, a nice jacket. Throw these on real quick. Yeah, and then I could also kind of see these being like a everyday, like, you know, I'm running errands and I don't feel like just, you know, putting on makeup or anything. And I just want to look cute. I could also see me doing that with the first ones that I tried on. But these are so cute. And the quality is really good as well. Like, you're not getting just bad quality shades. I absolutely love every pair, y'all. I love every single pair. Do I have any cons about the shades? Like anything bad? Honestly, I don't. Honestly, I don't have anything bad to say about the shades. Like, I'm looking at them all and I'm trying to think. I really don't have anything bad to say. I feel like this PR box has something for every occasion. I feel like it has something for every person's style. Like if you're very simple, there's at least 2 pairs in here that's simple. If you're flashy or you're outgoing or you want like a little razzle dazzle on your outfit, you could do that with any of these shades, y'all. Like, I'm so happy that I won this giveaway. I literally had no idea that I was gonna win. First of all, I think I had just came back from my trip from Curacao for my birthday. And I literally entered the giveaway, I think on the last day of the giveaway. I don't even know how many days the giveaway was going. I just seen this and I was like, how did I miss this? And I'm like guessing it's because I was on vacation. I was like, how the hell did I miss this? So I entered and I just started tagging people. And then I wasn't even paying attention to the time. I just happened to open my phone. And as soon as I opened my phone, I got a DM notification from Lorvae like, hey, Lorvae, babe, congratulations. I was like, what the hell? I started jumping up and down, y'all. I was so freaking excited, so excited. And yeah, I'm so happy I won. Like, I was actually considering gifting one of these to a friend at the time for her birthday. And because I just can't see me like, I don't know, like, I could see me keeping all of these for myself, but it's just like, I don't know. The good in me is considering maybe gifting someone a pair. Comment down below if I should do a giveaway of a pair and which ones. It can't be my favorite, y'all. I said all of them was my favorite, but I don't know. Comment down below. Should I do a giveaway of a pair and which pair? But yeah, this is the Lorvae unboxing, the 50 Shades of Brown, and I love them. Thank you so much, Lorvae and De'Ara, for gifting me these shades. I absolutely love them, and I wholeheartedly hope that this business continues to flourish because it literally just took the ground running and I can only envision what you guys have in store. Definitely got to cop you a pair or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 because they're definitely worth it. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Comment down below, like I said, what your favorite pair is. If I do a giveaway, I might choose you and your favorite pair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to all of my returning subscribers who have thugged it out with me through the highs and lows and my inconsistency. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you stick around. I hope you already hit that subscribe button. If not, I'm gonna say it again. Hit the red subscribe button for me. Join the family. Stick around. You know what I mean? I'm trying to drop a vlog every Sunday. So although this is not a vlog, I'm going to be dropping this video on Sunday so we could kind of keep the ball rolling. And yeah, definitely also comment what type of content y'all want to see, because I'm here for y'all. Like, I'm here to entertain y'all. I want to give y'all what y'all want. So if y'all want more unboxings, let me know. I'll unbox stuff. If y'all want try on hauls, let me know. I'm not 100% confident because y'all know I just dropped baby girl almost a year ago, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been working out. I haven't been in the gym. I haven't been doing anything because life been lifing. But we're gonna save that for another video. But yeah, so just let me know what y'all interested in seeing, and I'm here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.